What are the types of debt mutual funds in the market and how do they function? We have financial expert Mr. Hariharan with us today to answer this question.
There are various categories of debt mutual fund. In fact, there are 16 categories of debt mutual fund categorized by SEBI. And I'm not showing all the 16 because I don't want to confuse all of you. Just have a quick glance at this slide. And what you will find is that a debt mutual fund is available for every type of investor. That's what the slide is trying to communicate. Every type of investor has a particular debt mutual fund scheme available, right? So it's like a shopping mall, one-stop solution. So if somebody wants to put money for 7 days, there's a mutual fund available called overnight fund. Somebody wants to invest for 1, 2 months, 3 months, you have a liquid mutual fund, right? Somebody is looking at buying a property, but the deal could happen over the next 3-6 months, maybe even after 1 year. We don't know because property deals can take some time. So can I, instead of keeping the money in a savings account, keep it in a debt mutual fund? Absolutely, yes. So you can come to a low duration kind of fund or a money market kind of fund, park the money there, as and when your property deal gets over, remove the money. How it is beneficial, we will discuss. Somebody is doing a fixed deposit for 3 years. Is that a comparable mutual fund? Yes. There is a short duration fund available, right? Somebody is very safe in terms of fixed deposits. I do FD only with SBI. Then there's a very safe kind of debt mutual fund which will also invest in similar kind of instruments. So you have a banking and PSU fund. Then there's a corporate fund that's available, which will also invest in the best quality issuers or the papers. Somebody is investing in a company bond or debentures which is paying 12-13%. And today also there are companies which offer 12-13%. So basically you're taking risk even in a fixed deposit kind of instrument. Is there a fund available? Yes, there is a credit risk fund available. You take a credit risk there, you take a credit risk here. So every type of investor profile, every type of investor time frames, there is a debt mutual fund available. That's the beauty. Now, while this might sound very complicated, that is where Mr. Ramlingam will be able to guide you on a one-to-one basis what your goal is, what is your time frame, what kind of funds can be suitable for you. All right. Then there's a gilt fund, which is 100% government bond. So you have all the options available to play your cards, depending on what is your goal, what is your requirement. And absolutely liquid. All of these are liquid, except barring some closed-ended schemes. Everything is absolutely liquid. You can exit any point in time.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.